Welcome back to My Goal Pal. I'm the Focus Fox, and today, I am going to show you how to score a daily report card, or DRC, using My Goal Pal. DRC goals can be scored by teachers and other school-based users, like a school counselor. Parents can view the DRC scores entered by school-based users and can respond to comments. Teachers and school users can score the DRC using the My Goal Pal web or mobile applications, or they can print a paper copy of the DRC and score it by hand. We encourage users to use the format that works best for them and the student. To print the DRC and score it by hand, teachers and other school-based users can click on the Print DRC Template button on the Today's DRC page. Because DRC schedules might vary by day, be sure to select the correct date. The system will then generate a PDF that you will be able to print and fill out throughout the day. Please note that if you choose this method, you will still need to enter scores electronically to take advantage of My Goal Pal's progress monitoring features, which we will cover in more detail in the next video. To score DRC goals using the web application, navigate to the Today's DRC page. On this page, you will see each DRC goal organized by class. Daily goals will appear at the bottom of the page. Primary teachers and other school professionals can enter scores for all classes, including daily goals. Additional teachers can only enter scores for the classes to which they are assigned. For example, teacher at mygoalpal.com is the primary teacher for this DRC and can score all classes. Spanish teacher at mygoalpal.com is an additional teacher and can only enter scores for Spanish. When scoring a frequency goal, like stays in assigned area with 2 or fewer violations, first enter how often the student displayed the behavior during the evaluation period, and then select whether the student met their goal. For example, if the student only left their area one time, enter 1 under today's number and select Yes under Met Goal. When scoring a percentage goal, like completed assignments are at least 80% accurate, enter the student's percentage for the evaluation period, and then select whether the student met their goal. If this student's assignments were only 75% accurate in science class, then 75% should be entered under today's percentage, and No should be selected under Met Goal. To score a Yes/No goal, like writes homework in the agenda, simply select the appropriate response under Met Goal. There is also a Not Applicable option for all goals, which should be used if the goal does not apply for that period. For example, if there was a special event and no work was assigned, the goal, completed assignments are at least 80% accurate, would not be applicable. Once you have finished scoring goals for the period, click the Submit Scores button. You will notice that the progress bar at the top of the page will be updated to reflect the student's scores. To show the student their progress towards earning a reward, click on the Show Student Today's DRC Score button. Teachers and other school personnel can also add a comment about the student's performance for each class, noting what went well and what the student can improve upon in the future. To leave a comment, simply click Leave a Comment and type your comment in the pop-up box. When you are finished writing your comment, click the Post Comment button. Parent users will be able to view and respond to these comments. If the DRC was not implemented for a part of the day due to a special event or absence, you can cancel a class by clicking Cancel Class to the right of the class time. Next, select a reason that the class was canceled from the drop-down menu and click Submit. If the DRC was not implemented for a full day, click on the Cancel Full Day button at the top left of the screen and repeat the same steps. Once you have finished scoring goals for all classes, My Goal Pal will generate a PDF of the student's scored DRC. You may choose to print the scored DRC for the student to take home to share with his or her parents. Parents can also receive feedback electronically. We encourage you to use the feedback method that works best for you and the student. Once you have finished scoring, you will also notice that any rewards the student has earned will appear in the top right corner of the screen. If you provide a school-based reward, you can document that a reward was provided by clicking the Give Reward button. To score the DRC using the My Goal Pal mobile app, navigate to the Today's DRC page using the menu bar on the right-hand side of the screen. Select the correct student from the drop-down menu and scroll down to begin scoring goals for the first class. When you click the Submit Scores button, you will be brought to the next class. To see the goals for that class, click the down arrow to the right of the class name. Once you have submitted scores for the entire day, MyGoalPal will generate a PDF of the scored DRC. To return to the Today's DRC screen, click Done in the top left corner. The progress monitoring bar at the top of the screen will update to reflect the student's scores. You will also notice a reward badge in the top left corner. Click on the badge to view the rewards that the student earned that day. You can document that a school reward was provided by clicking the Give Reward button. For parent users, there are a few different ways to view your child's DRC progress. If you prefer to use paper, you may request that your child's teacher send home a printed copy of the DRC each day. If you prefer to receive feedback electronically, the MyGoalPal mobile app is recommended to receive notifications when the DRC scores are ready. The mobile app is available for free in the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Once your child's teacher submits DRC scores for the day, you will receive a push notification on your mobile device, letting you know how your child did on their DRC and whether a reward was earned. You can click on the notification to provide a reward. To view DRC scores and teacher comments, navigate to the Today's DRC page using the menu bar on the right-hand side of the screen. To show scores and comments for each class, click the down arrow to the right of the class name. You may respond to teacher comments by clicking on Leave a Comment under the teacher's comment. Type your comment in the pop-up box and click Post Comment when you are finished. You will also notice a reward badge in the top left corner. Click on the badge to view the rewards that your child earned that day. You can document that a home reward was provided by clicking Give Reward. To view your child's DRC scores using the web application, navigate to the Today's DRC page. You will be able to view scores for each goal and any teacher comments by clicking on the down arrow to the right of the class name. You will also be able to respond to teacher comments. On the top right-hand side of the page, you will notice the rewards that your child earned that day. You can document that a home reward was provided by clicking Give Reward. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to score the DRC. Be sure to check out our next video, which will show you how to monitor DRC progress over time.